In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare with a domain on Godaddy. We'll walk through adding Cloudflare Nameservers to your Godaddy account with clarity and ease. This setup enhances your website's performance and provides an extra layer of security, which is why many website owners choose to make the switch. Let's start by going to Cloudflare's website. Cloudflare offers a variety of services to improve website speed and security. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, the dashboard is your starting point for managing your domains. Next, head to your Godaddy account. Here, you'll click on your account name, usually displayed at the top right of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select My Products to view all your purchased domains. Locate the domain you'd like to connect with Cloudflare and click on the DNS button next to it. This section is where you'll manage your domain's DNS settings, an integral part of connecting your domain with Cloudflare. Copy your domain name from the DNS page in Godaddy, then navigate back to Cloudflare. You'll paste your domain into the required field in Cloudflare's setup wizard. After pasting your domain, click on the Continue button to proceed. When asked to select a plan, choose the free plan. For many users, the free option provides ample functionality for personal or small business needs. Once selected, proceed to Continue to Activation, preparing your domain for integration with Cloudflare. Cloudflare will now provide you with 2 name servers. These will replace your current Godaddy name servers. Copy these 2 name servers carefully as they are crucial to linking your domain with Cloudflare. Switch back to your Godaddy account and locate the option to change name servers. This option can usually be found in the DNS management section of your domain settings. Paste the Cloudflare name servers we copied earlier into the provided fields. Once pasted, hit the Save button to confirm the changes. Click on Continue, and Cloudflare will prompt you to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Cloudflare. Within this email, there will be a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code in the Cloudflare setup to verify your account and hit Verify. After successful verification, click on Continue, which takes you to the Get Started page of Cloudflare's dashboard. Here, follow the prompts to finalize initial setups like setting security and performance preferences. Each step will have a Save button. Be sure to click on it after completing each section. The final step involves a bit of patience. Allow up to 24 hours for the DNS changes to propagate. This duration doesn't usually take the full 24 hours, but occasional delays do happen, so don't be alarmed. And that's it. Your domain is now successfully connected to Cloudflare through Godaddy. You should notice improved load times and added security features for your website within the coming days. Thank you for watching, and happy website managing.